As the first light of dawn begins to rise, a vast green ocean stretches beneath drifting clouds of mist. This is Kalimantan, the Indonesian heart of Borneo, one of the oldest rainforests on Earth. For millions of years, this forest has grown, adapted, and endured. Long before modern cities, long before written history, life here learned to move slowly, quietly, and in balance. At sunrise, the jungle breathes. Mist rolls gently across the canopy, revealing layers of towering dipterocarp trees, giants that rise more than 60 meters into the sky. Their crowns catch the pale morning light, while their roots remain hidden in shadow, anchoring the forest together. This is not silence. It is listening. As the fog thins, sunlight filters through leaves shaped by centuries of rainfall and heat. Dew clings to every surface, each droplet reflecting the sky above. Insects hum softly, birds stir unseen. The forest awakens without urgency. The canopy above forms a living ceiling, regulating temperature, holding moisture, and sheltering countless species. Kalimantan's rainforest is among the most biodiverse ecosystems on the planet, home to over 15,000 plant species and thousands of animals, many found nowhere else on Earth. Here, survival depends not on speed, but on awareness. A subtle movement breaks the stillness. Leaves part slowly, revealing a long, powerful hand reaching outward. An orangutan emerges. The Bornean orangutan is one of humanity's closest relatives, sharing nearly 97% of our DNA. Yet its world is entirely arboreal, its life shaped by branches, fruiting trees, and memory. Orangutans are solitary by nature. Each movement is deliberate, each grip tested. As it feeds calmly on ripe fruit, the forest provides exactly what it needs. Orangutans play a critical role in seed dispersal, carrying fruit across large distances and allowing new trees to grow. In this way, the orangutan is not just a resident of the forest, it is one of its gardeners. Beyond the trees, water shapes the land. A wide river cuts through the forest, reflecting the sky above. These rivers are the arteries of Kalimantan, supporting fish, insects, reptiles, and mammals along their banks. Where water flows, life gathers. Among the branches near the river's edge, a silhouette appears. The proboscis monkey, instantly recognizable by its long nose, steps into view. These monkeys are found only in Borneo and are uniquely adapted to life along rivers and mangroves. Living in social groups, they groom one another, communicate with soft calls, and move carefully through the trees. Their specialized stomachs allow them to digest leaves that few other primates can tolerate. As the group fades back into the greenery, the riverbank returns to stillness, but the forest never forgets their presence. Deeper inside the forest, light grows dim. Movement is subtle here, almost invisible. A paw steps forward, brushing leaves aside without sound. The clouded leopard is one of the most elusive predators in Southeast Asia. With powerful limbs and long tail, it moves effortlessly through branches, capable of descending trees headfirst. Its patterned coat mirrors the dappled light of the forest, rendering it nearly invisible. The leopard pauses, listens, then disappears. Predators like this maintain balance, shaping prey populations and ensuring the health of the ecosystem. At ground level, life follows a different rhythm. Filtered sunlight creates patches of warmth on the forest floor. A fallen log shifts slightly as a sun bear investigates its hollow interior. The smallest bear species in the world, sun bears are expert foragers. With strong claws and long tongues, they extract insects, honey, and larvae from decaying wood. Their feeding behavior accelerates decomposition, returning nutrients to the soil. When the bear moves on, the forest absorbs the disturbance and continues. Above, wings rustle through leaves. A hornbill lands on a branch, its large beak perfectly adapted for feeding on fruit. These birds are among the forest's most important seed dispersers, capable of spreading large seeds across wide distances. Pairs often remain together for life, communicating through calls that echo across the canopy. As they lift off, crossing a gap of open sky, the forest briefly opens, then closes again. The ground trembles faintly. From behind layers of foliage, a young Bornean pygmy elephant steps into view, followed by the rest of the herd. These elephants are smaller than their mainland relatives, but no less vital. As they move through the forest, they create pathways, open clearings, and shape plant growth. Elephants are ecosystem engineers. Their presence influences everything, from seed dispersal to water flow, and their memory of forest routes spans generations. As the herd fades into dense greenery, the forest reshapes itself around them. Later, near the river's edge, a striped form emerges. The tiger moves with complete control, muscles rolling beneath its coat. Every step is measured, every pause deliberate. Tigers are solitary, territorial, and critical to ecosystem balance. By regulating prey populations, they prevent overgrazing and maintain forest structure. Reflected in still water, the tiger drinks, then vanishes once more. As afternoon light warms, the forest changes tone. Shadows grow longer. Colors soften. High above, an orangutan builds a nest from leaves and branches, a new bed for the night. Nearby, proboscis monkeys settle into resting trees. The sun bear moves toward darker forest. The clouded leopard reappears briefly, then fades again. This is not an ending. It is transition. As evening falls, silhouettes replace details. The forest becomes sound. Insects, distant calls, water flowing unseen. Moonlight brushes the canopy. Life continues beyond what the eye can follow. At dawn once more, mist returns. Footprints fade. Paths disappear. The forest remains. Kalimantan is not just a collection of animals. It is a living system, ancient, resilient, and deeply interconnected. Every movement matters. Every silence speaks. And as long as the forest stands, its story continues, quietly, endlessly, and alive. As the light fades and the forest grows quiet, one truth remains clear. This jungle is not empty land. It is a living home. Every tree holds generations of life. Every river carries stories older than memory. Every animal, from the smallest insect to the largest elephant, plays a role that cannot be replaced. When forests disappear, it is not only animals that are lost. It is balance, climate stability, and a part of our shared future. Protecting forests like Kalimantan means protecting clean water, healthy air, and the systems that quietly sustain life far beyond these trees. It means allowing nature to continue the work it has done for millions of years. The forest does not ask to be owned. It asks only to be allowed to remain. If these landscapes are preserved, the sounds will continue. The mist will return. The animals will walk their ancient paths. And the forest will endure, not as a memory, but as a living world. Thank you for taking this journey into the forests of Borneo. By watching, you have witnessed a world that still lives quietly beyond human presence, a place where balance, patience, and coexistence define survival. Forests like these depend not only on protection on the ground, but also on awareness beyond their borders. Every share helps this story travel farther. Every comment keeps the conversation alive. Every like signals that these ecosystems matter. If you believe forests should remain living homes, not fading memories, Your support helps ensure more stories like this can be told. Subscribe to continue exploring the hidden worlds of nature, wildlife, and untouched landscapes. New journeys await, deeper forests, rare species, and stories shaped by time itself. Until then, the jungle remains. Breathing, watching, alive.